But the last thing I want to show you is something we'll use now from now on, and that's how to define a new brush. Okay, so you want to add texture. You can download some brushes online, you know, if you don't find what you're looking for in the presets here in Photoshop. But you can also make a brush based on any selection. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my paintbrush. I'm going to actually add the calligraphic brushes, I believe is, I don't know how you would say that. I'm going to choose one of these, choose just a black, okay, and on this new layer, just turn off the line scene so I have a little bit of space, and I'm going to write my initials. And this doesn't really look like my signature because I'm not used to doing this with a mouse, but there we go. There's my initials. Okay, and so now with that layer selected, I'm going to grab my magic wand, and for this it's probably easier to select everything but the signature first by just clicking on the background layer or the background area, and then I'll just say select an inverse, and now I've got my signature selected. Okay, so I come in here to edit, define brush preset, and now I've got a signature, my signature saved as a brush. I say OK. I'm going to hit delete first and Command D. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to, well, actually I'm going to keep it here in my signature layer at the top, and I'm going to turn back on my line scene, and I'm going to put my signature on this thing so that everybody knows whose it is. So grab my brush tool, and now at the bottom here it's got my signature as a brush. I'm going to make it a lot smaller than that, and let's see, I'm going to choose the same blue that I used for the title, say OK, and just click the mouse once to put a little signature in there. If you, just so you can see, I can put it on this white area. Okay.